Let's make a graduation candy and money lei.
Divide the candy bars in half and lay them out end to end. Carefully lay out a long strip of plastic wrap about 4 inches longer than the candy bars on each end. And be careful with that plastic wrap. We all know how it can turn into a hot mess in a hurry. Then roll the plastic wrap around the candy bars until you have a big long tube. Cut 6 to 8 inch pieces of curling ribbon and tie one in between each candy bar. If you want to make this gift even more substantial, you could make little money bows and attach them in between each candy. Just fold a bill in half, accordion fold it lengthwise, then gather it in the middle to make a bow and tie it to the lei with some curling ribbon. Tie the two ends together using more curling ribbon, then your lei is done! Here are a few different variations of candy leis that I've made in the past. If you live in a hot climate, chocolate candies might melt, so Starburst would definitely be a better option. I also loved using fabric ribbon instead of curling ribbon just for a different look. For more information on this project, click over to my site. I've linked it in the video descriptions. Congratulations, graduates, and happy crafting!